7 easy home remedies to get rid of cystic acne on cheeks. Pimples, cysts, bumps and blemishes, whatever the name we use for them, acne breakouts are a part of life. Cystic acne is a kind of acne linked with painful, long-standing nodules over the face, chest and back of the neck. Specific therapies are used in certain stages of adolescent acne. It begins with closed comedones which usually grow into blackheads. These open comedones lead to scarring if not popped, picked or manipulated. Some of these will develop into pustular acne or cystic acne. Pustules generally lead to scarring, particularly when they are popped. The last stage of the growth of acne is named cystic acne, and if it is left untreated, it can cause acne scarring. This acne usually occurs because of the dead skin cells, bacteria and oil. In this video, I have suggested 7 home remedies for cystic acne on cheeks with some conventional medical treatments as well. Number 1. Homemade Aspirin Mask. A homemade aspirin mask is considered extremely helpful for those painful, red and pesky bumps under the protective layer of your face. You need to take 2 to 3 aspirin tablets with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and make a thick paste and apply it over the pimples. Aspirin belongs to the family of salicylic acid and may provide relief from pain and inflammation. Number 2. Apply ice. An ice is usually effective in reducing redness, pain, itchiness and swelling. It is recommended by natural healers to rub an ice cube onto the pimple till your skins become insensitive. You must repeat this natural home remedy 3 times a day. Number 3. Vinegar Cleanser. Some counselors of natural healing strongly highlight the antibacterial properties of vinegar. They suggest applying a thinned white vinegar cleanser over the acne spots twice a day. The recommended solution comprises of 3 cups of clean water plus 2 to 3 cupfuls of vinegar. Once more, be careful while applying vinegar over your skin because you can feel irritation. Number 4. Diet. Some advocates of natural healing says that using dairy products can be a cause of cystic acne. They recommend precluding all dairy products from your diet for 3 to 4 weeks, including yogurt, cheese or milk, and observing your skin changes for new breakouts. If you observe no new eruptions, it's a sign that dairy is causing cystic acne in you. Some proponents also refer to anecdotal evidence that processed food and sugar are key reasons for inflammation that can cause cystic acne breakouts. Strict elimination of all processed foods and refined sugar is recommended from your diet. Number 5. Probiotics. The connection between gut health and skin health is preached by natural healers, and daily intake of probiotics is encouraged for clear skin and to eliminate skin inflammation. Adding a particular quantity of probiotics into your diet in the form of veggies, yogurt, kimchi, kefir, and other foods is recommended as they carry healthy bacteria. Number 6. Turmeric Mask. If you are concerned about how to get rid of cystic acne, then this could be the best home remedy for you. Because of its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities, turmeric mask is considered extremely useful to treat cystic acne. You just need to mix turmeric powder with a small amount of water and make a thick paste. Apply this paste over the acne spots for about 40 to 45 minutes before washing it over. Advocates recommend applying this mask over your acne bumps 2 times a day. Be aware, this mask can irritate sensitive skin. Number 7. Apply tea tree oil. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory characteristics of tea tree oil can make it very useful home remedy to get rid of cystic acne. The number of acne-causing bacteria can be decreased with it, and at the same time inflammation is also reduced. Let it sit on your acne spots for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your face with an herbal face wash that suits you.
Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you. Have a nice day.